In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Microsoft Teams to HubSpot's free meeting scheduler. This process will help streamline your scheduling activities and integrate two powerful tools to enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First up, start by heading over to the HubSpot User Guide. You can find this by navigating to the User Guide section on HubSpot's website. Once you're there, make sure you're logged into your HubSpot account to ensure you have access to all available features. Now, look for the Marketplace option. You can typically find this by searching through the menu. The Marketplace is where you'll find all of HubSpot's offerings and third-party apps that you can integrate with. Once you see it, go ahead and click on it. Inside the Marketplace, direct your attention to the Apps section. This is a crucial step because you'll be able to see all the various integrations HubSpot offers. By selecting Apps, you'll access a vast array of options that can enhance your experience and functionality with HubSpot. In the Apps menu, there's a search bar where you can type in Microsoft. It's essential to type it correctly to ensure you find the right app among possibly hundreds of others. After typing Microsoft, you should see a list of related applications. You'll want to find Microsoft Teams in the list. Microsoft Teams is a powerful collaboration tool widely used in many organizations for messaging, video conferencing, and file sharing. Click on Microsoft Teams to move forward with the integration. Once you've clicked on Microsoft Teams, you'll be brought to the app's dedicated page within the HubSpot Marketplace. Here you'll find more detailed information about the integration, including its features and requirements. Be sure to read through this information to understand what the integration can do for you and how it can assist in managing your meetings more efficiently. Now that you're on the Microsoft Teams page, you'll notice an option to Install App. Click on it. This action will begin the installation process. Depending on your HubSpot and Microsoft Teams configurations, you might need to grant permission for the two systems to communicate and share data with one another. Follow any prompts that appear, carefully reading them before granting permissions to ensure everything syncs smoothly and securely. And there you have it. By integrating Microsoft Teams with HubSpot's meeting scheduler, you've unlocked a more efficient way to handle meeting requests, streamline your scheduling process, and improve overall productivity. Take some time to explore the newfound capabilities in both platforms and see how they enhance your workflow. If you encounter any issues, the HubSpot support team is a great resource to reach out to for assistance. Thanks for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.